Alright, what is up guys, ladies and gentlemen, mga StarCraft enthusiasts, Pinoys, StarCraft fans all over the world. Welcome to another video. This is once again the Happy Penguin and I will be casting a game from round 4 of the Swiss format in the Pinoy StarCraft Ladderista Tournament 2026. So I believe this is the last replay we've got for the Swiss format in this tournament. So yeah, we have here on the upper right side of the map Pablito, this blue Protoss player, and the lower left side of the map we have Atitus King, the red Protoss. So yeah, both of them are really good Protoss players, Pinoy Protoss players, and I haven't really seen them play against each other, and this would be my very first time to do so. Oh, yun. Okay. Yeah, wala pa namang mga fancy ganap dito. So, by the way, if you haven't yet, kindly hit like and subscribe to this channel para makasupport us sa Filipino StarCraft and sa akin personal account na rin as well. That, you know, every like, subscribe, and even sharing and even commenting sa comment section ng YouTube motivates me further para mas lalo ang ganahan gumawa ng mga videos just like this channel. And you know, konti lang yata yung mga content creators sa StarCraft sa Pilipinas. Nabubulol ako. And I'm hoping to be one of the contributors to lengthen yung tawag dito, yung lifespan, mas ma-expand pala yung lifespan ng game na to. There you go, on Pablito's side, so fast or siya and gas. On Atitus side, yeah, parehas lang sila, except na una lang sa core kung si Pablito. Wala silang core ni Atitus, wala pa siyang core. Okay, interesting. Na weird lang kasi kumuha siya ng gas agad pero di agad ng cybernetics core. And ito, ngayon pala yung core, so mas later yung core ni Atitus. So anyway, so probe scouts, both of them are going to second scout each other. Pala silang dumaan sa bottom right first, and then both of them are box scouting each other. And itong Zealot failed to block Atitus probe scout. And now Atitus is going to see exactly what's going on inside Pablito's base, pero nothing very unusual as of yet kasi yung gantong time wala pa naman talagang masyadong weird builds, pero at least he can confirm if the double gate pa tong si Pablito. Meanwhile, this Zealot by Atitus, I believe, hindi ko napansin kung nakalusot tong probe ni Pablito, pero it did an amazing job of blocking the scout, and nag-add na ng faster robotics facility dito si Atitus. Pablito's side, still one gate, and we see that core spinning and the probe scout of Atitus gets taken down, and yun, nag-add lang ng pylon ni Pablito. So I guess maunang lumamang sa tech si Atitus, and maybe based on his scouting info kaya siya merong confidence to start the robotics sooner. Maybe, no, yun nasa mind niya, I'm not sure. So both players are macroing well. Patay sila supply. You can see 19 workers, both of them, and both of them at 28 supply. And nauna lang, naging ahead lang konti si Pablito. Just there, okay. Nag-stop ng production siya dito. So okay, akala ko intentional yung pag-cut ng probes, pero hindi lang pala na-queue. So second gate being added as well as a robotics or Pablito's side, pero nauna si Atitus sa robotics, and meron na siyang ops and robotics support bay. So yeah, 2 gates for Pablito versus 1 gate Atitus, but earlier sa River Tech. Okay, the scout of Pablito tried to go up the ramp pero dami nakaharang. Hindi ko lang alam kung abot ng vision itong robotics. Yeah. So there's the shuttle. Ayun ako, if actually mabilis yung River ni Atitos, there's a chance na it could do devastating damage kay Pablito since, okay, Pablito going with the faster Nexus. Meanwhile, si Atitos is just hurting behind his one base. Okay, nauna yung Obs before River. So, si Atitos is now, okay, meron ng Obs out pero iniwan niya dito. Maybe natatakot siya sa Dark Templar. That's why hindi niya sinend across the map. I mean, that's valid reason. Naman. Unless, double obs ka. Ito, kita natin, River. Okay. Unless mag double obs ka, ayun, may reason ka isend yung first obs din. Kasi alam mo na, pag may DT na sakaling nakatawid sa base mo, you'll have that second observer to serve as your detection against that Dark Templar, if ever nag-Dark Templar yung kalaban. But looking at this right now, nakikita natin, we can say Pablito is ahead just because yung Nexus niya is going to finish faster. Mas bagay expand niya, and Atitos still has no clue sa anong hinaharap niya right now. Supply-wise, ahead si Atitos in terms of army. Pero very very soon, if walang gawin si Atitos dito, Pablito is going to be very very ahead. Okay, now there's an observer by Pablito going to do some surveillance dito sa loob ng base ni Atitos. Okay, mga kalusot, hindi napansin ni Atitos na may observer in here, and he sees exactly what's going on. The additional third gateway, the army count, and as well as this River Tech. Baba siya. Okay, may konting vision. Maybe yung daplis na yon gave him a clue. And now Atitos is going to go across the map, confident na may River na siya, pero meron ding River si Pablito of his own. So right now, lamang na lamang si Pablito sa worker. If Pablito manages to hold this, sobrang lamang na talaga siya. So, ang minimum kailangan gawin na Atitos is bawasan yung worker or basira yung Nexus or do whatever damage na pwede. Or maybe expand right. I don't know. Kasi very very behind na si Atitos just by looking at this. Yan na, okay. Double River drop by Atitos, going to target down what? Uy, malaki ang bala, hindi bumaril. Okay, muntik na. Oh, look at that dancing shots from the River. River takes hit. Oh no, one River of Atitos dies. Sa micro battle, two Rivers automatically died from Atitos. Halos walang hindi nakabaril. Very very bad clash. Oh no. Nako po. I think this is over na. That was a very bad engage on Atitos side. Mas maganda yung engagement ni Pablito doon. Maybe kasi siguro pinilit ni Atitos mga damage. And now he is very very far behind. Look at that. 29 workers versus 36 workers. And until now, still on one base si Atitos. Hindi ko alam kung anong backup na pwedeng gawin ni Atitos dito. And tayo yung observer na. So kung mag-favor may Dark Templar si Pablito dito, tapos ang forces ni Atitos nasa detection maliban lang sa observer. Yan na, may sarili ng shuttle si Pablito going to perhaps pick up those two Rivers and maybe try to move across the map. And ayan na, Pablito going to attack his units on the high ground. Meron si Atitos. Zealot has been killed. Now Atitos is forced to retreat. Pero mukhang itong Zealot ito will just easily get picked off. Because picked off because ang salita yung picken. Picked off dahil lang wala pang legs, no? Nag-skip siya ng leg day, wala siyang legs. And the Zealot dies. So now Atitos is going to try to take hold of this high ground. I-maintain niya yung hold, controls high ground, not let have Pablito the high ground advantage. And yeah, there's a bit of flash going on. One River of Pablito falls. Pero dami na yung Dragoons pa natitira. Only 4 Dragoons remaining for Atitos. Pero meron naman siyang home court advantage, so he can easily reinforce. And now because of that engagement, Pablito is forced to retreat. And ayun, Yeah, pero okay, so Atitos is now expanding, pero malayo pa yung sa kanyang second base. Pablito is just ahead, 11 workers. Okay, now, okay, naka-speed na yung shuttle. Going to drop a river in the main. Oh! River drop, damn killing probes. Oh, aray, grabe na yun. 30, 24. Laka. 30, now 21. That's 12 workers already dying on the side of Atitos. Wala na to, sir. Wala na to, mga sir. Sobrang GG na to. Yeah, looking really, okay. And 7, wala na. 7 probes. Saan ang gagawin yan? We're just waiting for GG here. Wala na to. And GG. Ano, so actually kahit di mag-drop si Pablito doon, lamang pa rin siya eh. Pero it's more of a win more move and yeah, na-take advantage. Walang defense si Atitos. So yeah, that's going to be game number 1 between Pablito and Atitos. So that's 1-0 in favor of Pablito. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at game number 2 between Pablito and Atitos King. So this is Pablito, the red Protoss player, on the lower right side of the map. Meanwhile, Atitos is that teal colored Protoss player on the upper left side of the map. So previous game, it was very evident, no, Atitos just got outplayed and out macroed, no, nalugi siya sa engagement, naunahan pa siya sa expansion, plus nadrapan pa ng river, wiping out majority of Atitos workers, like kanina yata 33 down to 7. Meanwhile, Pablito has 44. So wala na yung GG na talaga. Imposible na makahabol pag ganun klaseng damage. And yeah, let's see what's gonna happen in this game. Makakabawi ba si Atitos? Will Atitos score? Or will Pablito take this as 2-0? Find out soon enough. And again, if maabot ka sa point na ito ng video and hindi ka pa nag-like and subscribe, please do so. Would appreciate it. It's gonna help the channel. It's gonna help the Filipino StarCraft community and overall StarCraft all over the world, kasi nakaka-contribute tayo sa longevity ng game na ito. Okay, cross spawn, both players just now adding a gateway. Parehas sila ng build and faster gas. Pablito as usual. Okay, this time Atitos went for a double gate. This is going to be maybe yung 3 zealot opener, go across the map and then add gas and core afterwards, and then hope to do damage in the early game and maging ahead siya by 2 to 3 or 4 workers. Yun yung goal normally sa build na yan. And yeah, both players looks like are going to second scout each other. Magkakasalubungan ang kanilang mga probes, and Atitos was very attentive to detail. Pansin niya agad yung probe scout ni Pablito kung saan nanggagaling, and now nung nakita niya yung scout na yun, hindi na siya nag-proceed upwards. Instead, he went down lower right. So okay, cybernetic score being added, and 2 zealots are going to come out from Atitos in a bit, and maybe going to go across the map as soon as nag-clap out the 2 zealots. But right now, there's this probe. Let's see if mabablock ni Atitos with the zealot yung scouting probe. Meanwhile, yung scouting probe ni Atitos naman hinahabol ng zealot dito ni Pablito, and nakalusot ang scouting probe ni Pablito. So Pablito knows na double gate opener si Atitos. Let's see kung ano ang gagawin yung response here. Maybe confident siguro si Pablito kasi this is cross spawn, so he knows na malayo ang reinforcements follow up manggagaling kay Atitos. And now this zealot of Pablito is going to chase down this probe ni Atitos. Maybe hindi lang niya na control and na-realize niya na napahabol siya ng di oras, inatrust niya agad. The range being researched by Pablito. Meanwhile, Atitos, 3 zealots are going across the map, and yun na, we're seeing the core, we're seeing pylon and gas being taken. Okay, yun na, Dragoon, 3 zealots versus a Dragoon. Yung isang zealot ni Pablito nakaiwan lang dito home base, and mukhang tatry ni Atitos lumusot. Ngayon medyo tricky na to. 2 Dragoons. Single Zealot versus 3 Zealots up, and that Zealot gets taken down kaso 2 Dragoons din to. Let's see if makaka-damage itong Zealots. So pareha silang currently 20 workers. Okay, nahabol ni Titus yung probe pero hindi, ayan, naligtas pa. Naligtas pa ni Pablito. 1 Dragoon ni Pablito, very red though, and only 1 not remaining on Pablito. I think mo-hold ni Pablito unless mas screw up na yung micro ng isang Dragoon. And yeah, no damage. So dito parang lamang pa si Pablito because nauna siya mag-build ng Dragoons. So yeah, so hindi naman ganun kalayo yung advantage. Okay, surprisingly yung lamang pa ng worker si Titus. Siguro na distract si Pablito enough. But there it is again, a faster expand. Ang fantasy Pablito na mag-expand over here. Yeah, the mind games, guys. Let's see if Titus would also expand. Nag-save siya ng minerals. We can see, hindi siya nag-expand. Instead, built a robotics facility. Now, ano kayang dapat gawin ni Titus dito? Is it right to send your units across the map? Or just remain here? Baka kasi may gawin na kalokohan yung kalaban. Let me know in the comment section kung anong tingin nyo yung dapat ginawa ni Titus at this point. Meanwhile, Pablito, okay lang kaya yung ginawa niya nag-expand early perhaps, no? Kasi these 4 Dragoons are going to distract, make Titus feel na kino-contain siya. And there you go, mukhang attempt ni Titus mag-move across the map sana. But nakaabang na ang Dragoon si Pablito, and yung isang hindi nako-control ni Titus, yung isa niyang Dragoon na iwan. Naku po. And just like that, Titus loses the trade right there. And mukhang Pablito is just going to get away with this fast expand. So again, nalulugi agad si Titus dito. So now 3 Dragoons versus 3 Dragoons and 2 Zealots. Yung isang Dragoon ni Pablito, pulado na. Okay, ngayon Titus is going to pursue. Naku po, hindi na ako control niya Titus. May mga naiiwan sa Zealot Zealot Dragoons if you noticed. Mas naiwan pa yung Zealots sa house, kanyang home base. Yikes. Now may robotics facility ni si Pablito. May observer na rin getting built. Meanwhile, Titus is still on one base. Once again, ladies and gents, Pablito is out macroing Titus. But lamang si Titus pa rin sa worker. Lamang sa worker, lamang sa army, lamang sa supply, but nga na out micro siya niyan out micro siya ni Pablito. Yung mga trades niya nalugi because yun, may mga naiiwang units from his base. So maybe Titus needs to focus further if he wants to secure a win sa game na to. Kailangan malaman agad ni Titus na nag-expand si Pablito, otherwise he's going to be very very behind, and mukhang mag-third base agad, early third base si Pablito, as you can see sa 6 o'clock. And now, okay, Titus once again going to try to pursue Pablito's Dragoons here. Okay, napitas pareha sa kanila. Okay, Titus going for the chase, kaso may mga reinforcing Dragoons pa dito si Pablito. Going to reinforce itong kanyang Dragoons para to join them together rather. Okay, and wala, atras na lang sila parehas. Titus going for that expansion, pero kanina pa nagmamine dito si Pablito, and now ahead na ng 1 worker si Pablito, plus meron siyang river tech available. Meanwhile, Titus, okay, meron na rin robotic support bay. We're seeing a river being built, 2 gates. So lugi naman siya in terms of Nexus. Surprisingly, lamang pa rin si Titus sa supply for some reason. Maybe nakafocus lang talaga si Pablito masyado sa combat. Okay, ngayon ahead na pala ng worker. Ito si Pablito by 3 workers and supply. So yun na, dito na lumalabas yung advantage ng earlier expand. So yung advantage over your opponent. So hindi siya immediately. Of course, nag-expand ka sooner, earlier than your opponent, may chance na ma-punish ka. But if you do hold and you manage to get away with it, suddenly grabe yung spike ng economic advantage sa'yo. You can see here, 78 supply versus 75. Lamang na lamang by 6 workers itong si Pablito. Plus, okay, naka-obs na si Atitus sa base ni Pablito. Malamang hindi siya masaya sa nakita niya. Hindi siya masaya sa tech. And 4 gateways plus yung expansion. Parehas sila ng tech, honestly. So, yun, again, nakalamang talaga si Pablito. The economy, look at that. 46 workers versus 38. So, that's an 8 probe advantage. May dalawang river na out si Pablito. And okay, both players walang forge, no? Yeah, wala silang forge. So wala silang upgrades parehas. And Atitus has now loaded 2 rivers in the shuttle. Okay, may hidden pylon over here by Atitus. Maybe kung gusto niya mag-expand doon. And sa probe scout sa 6 o'clock, maybe nabang niya baka mag-third bigla si Pablito doon. There's a chance. Most likely dito niya ilalagay or siguro dito. Maybe sa mineral only. Mga ganong possible allocations. Kaya dito niya nilagay. Suspecting 6 o'clock third base being taken soon. Okay, 11 worker advantage now. Si Pablito and Atitus yata nagkakat na ng workers. Yes, he is. He is indeed cutting some workers. And okay, babawi na ng drop si Atitus kasi may mga nakaabang na ng dragoons. Ako po. River, River dies. Ngayon, magre-defend yung mga few dragoons nito. Pablito, okay. Ngayon, ang ginawa ni Atitus, pinagkasabay niya yung river drop niya with his dragoon army to knock at Pablito's front door. Kaya lang, Pablito was so on top of it, nabatay niya yung river in time. He deflected his push from Atitus. Now, on Atitus' side, okay, nadrapan pala siya. Drapan si Atitus. Yeah, both players are distracted, defending and attacking at the same time. So, grabe advantage. 15 worker advantage already for Pablito. Now, if ikaw si Atitus, what should be your backup plan? Maybe, I don't know, siguro kanina hope niya maka-damage yung river niya para maka-get back in the game. Pero walang damage, only killed a few dragoons and even lost his own river. Now, 6 gateways currently si Pablito versus 4 gateways si Atitus. Ako po, Atitus also needs to start adding gateways and mukhang okay, akala ko kay Atitus. Okay, red shuttle. Inuwi muna ni Pablito ang shuttle niya with the river. Maybe para ma-pick up niya ibang river na nakaabang dito sa base niya. Both players still on 2 base and worker advantage na lang si Pablito. But still, that's a huge advantage. Nagkakat na ng workers si Pablito. Nag-stop na siya ng worker production. Meanwhile, Atitus just roaming around with his dragoons, trying to look for a possible expansion kung saan siya magkukuha ng third maybe. And 7 na lang yung worker gap. And yeah, let's see. Okay, maybe makakabalik pa si Atitus sa game na to. But he needs to really take a very, very good engagement. So, 0-0 pa rin. Upgrades, wala silang forge pa parehas. And ito na. As this clash in the middle, Atitus is the first one to drop the river. Targeting, okay. Alright. So, mukhang mas maraming dragoons meron din si Atitus. But, nag-drop na. Oh, yung dami. 4 na rivers from the side of Pablito. Oh, what a clash, guys. Sino kayo mananalo sa clash na to? Ako, looks like Pablito is getting ahead. Look at that. 94 supply versus 65. Oh, no! Atitus just lost all his dragoons. Napakadami pang dragoons na A1 for Pablito. And mukhang this shuttle ni Atitus will get sniped by the dragoons ni Pablito. Ilang piraso lang ang dragoons ni Atitus here. Matay pa ang shuttle ni Atitus. Managed to drop the river in time. Managed to pick 1 dragoon. Oh, pero yun. May shuttle and river pa dito si Pablito. Not looking good for Atitus. Only a few army. 96 supply versus 67. This game could be over very, very soon. More reinforcements coming in from Atitus. Atitus from Pablito's base towards Atitus' base. Wala na, namatay pa ang river. This is GG, guys. Wala nang army. Meron pa pala, okay, nag-backdoor yung army ni Atitus. Trying to kill rivers. Napatay niya isang river, napatay yung shuttle. But will this be enough to hold? Still 5 dragoons here versus 2 2 Dragoons ni Atitus. So, more reinforcements coming in. Meron pang river dito si Pablito sa base niya. Atitus is still trying to hold. So, meron namang home court advantage si Atitus, pero sa supply, sa pera, expansion, already taking a third dito si Pablito. Lamang na lamang pa rin si Pablito. And 50 workers versus 38. And si Pablito, talagang tuloy-tuloy attack. He wants to make sure na hindi makaka-recover si Atitus doon. Pares sila upgrade. It all depends on positioning and micro this time. And mukhang mapapaatras si Pablito right here. But meron pa siyang mga reinforcements coming in. And still a shuttle. Boy pa yung shuttle. Pulado. And meron pang reverse at home. At kitang-kita on screen right now, sino talaga yung lamang dito. 108 supply for Pablito with 58 workers versus 39 workers on Atitus side at 79 supply, and now 85. Okay, ngayon umakyat si Pablito sa 12 o'clock. Check any expansion and nakita na yung pylon, so at least napatay niya yung tripwire. Kaya pa ba ni Atitus makarecover? Yun talaga yung biggest question. Okay, mukhang naunahan sa pwesto ni Atitus si Pablito, and yeah, lamang siya sa engage ito, I believe. And of course, mag-retreat si Pablito kaso masyadong masikip ang ramp, and he just loses quite a few Dragoons right there. But the advantage is still on Pablito's side. Look at that. 59 workers right now versus 41. And 30 supply gap. All in all, yan ang mukhang Pablito is going for the kill, dropping the reverse. Walang reverse si Atitus, just Dragoons. Now, there's Pablito inching forward little by little. Wait, okay, nag-drop pala ng reverse si Atitus kaya nabawasan yung worker. 42 workers. This is 41, okay. Drop siya sa third base 6 o'clock, but ayun, wipe out naman ang kanyang army defending this push ni Pablito. Still not looking good for Atitus. Naku po, paano yung ma-hold ni Atitus to? Wala na siyang Dragoons. Isang Dragoon and River na lang. Pablito could potentially end the game right here. Yung River ni Atitus, kailangan niyang iuwi kung gusto niya mag-try mag-defend. And GG has been called. So that's 2-0 in favor of Pablito. Congrats to Pablito and GG, well played, both players, and to Atitus King. So see you guys on the next video. If you want to watch this tournament live on stream, go to SCPH _ Happy Penguin. That's on Twitch. So twitch.tv / SCPH _ Happy Penguin. So same lang sa name ng YouTube channel. So minsan may nagkakast tayo ng live doon for the tournaments, and sometimes nagka-play lang ako on stream. So yeah, if you're into that kind of stuff, you can check out the Twitch as well. And yun, follow lang kayo sa YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and spread the word to fellow Filipinos and StarCraft lovers. So once again, thank you. See you on the next video.